Okay, we're going to practice adding integers, and I'm going to explain the three best ways that I know for each of these problems. 6 plus 4, you probably learned that many years ago, but think of money. Money's my favorite way. You have $6 in your pocket, in one pocket, and in another pocket you find $4 more, so you've got a total of $10. Another way of looking at this would be, let's say it's 0 degrees in the morning and it goes up 6 degrees and it goes up 4 more. It's gone up 10 degrees, or it's 10 degrees outside. Another way of looking at it is positive numbers are hot water and negative numbers are cold water. So you add hot water to hot water and it's going to stay hot. Now in this next problem, you want to buy something for $2 and you want to buy something for $5. You don't have any money in your pockets. You are short $7. Thinking of the temperature, it drops 2 degrees, drops 5, it's dropped 7, or cold water plus cold water is cold water. It gets a little bit more complex when your signs are different. Again, I like money. You want to buy something that's $7 and you have $9 in your pocket. Well, you can buy it, and you, as a matter of fact, you're going to have $2 left over. Temperature, it drops 7 degrees, goes up 9 degrees. Well, we're 2 degrees above zero. Or think of the hot water cold. You have 7 gallons of cold water and 9 gallons of hot water. Well, it's going to be not lukewarm, it won't be medium, it's going to be a little bit warmer than cold because you've got more warm water that you're adding, or hot water that you're adding. Here, again, you have $4 in your pocket, you want to buy something that's $8, you're short $4. Here you want to buy something, I'm just going to do money, I really like money, but if you like the other two, think about what I said in the first 3 problems and then apply that for the others. You want to buy something that's $12 and you only have $3 in your pocket. You are short $9. Here you have $11 in your pocket and you want to buy something that's $5. We have enough money. As a matter of fact, you're going to have $6 left over. You can buy 2 of them. Now when you have more than 2 numbers, you need to do 2 at a time. So the first thing I'm going to do is 3 plus negative 6. $3, take away 6 that you want to buy something, you're short 3. And then I'm going to add a negative 4. So here we have negative 3 and a negative 4 is a negative 7. 2 at a time. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Bring down what you're not ready to use. I always suggest this. Don't be lazy. Do it and you'll make fewer mistakes. So now we have a negative 3 and a negative 6. 2 negatives, a negative and a negative and a negative. Bring down what you're not ready to use. Don't do chicken scratching all over the page. Actually, go work down. You'll make fewer mistakes. Really, trust me. A negative 9 and a positive 5 is a negative 4. And then here we have a negative and a negative, which is a negative 6. All right. Now, put this on pause and practice these. And when you're done, we'll have the answers. 4 plus 5, 9. A negative and a negative is a negative. Negative 10. Negative 6, spend $6. Want to buy something for $6, you only have 4, you're short 2. You want to buy something for $4, you have $9. You've got $5 left over. 8 plus negative 3, 5. Negative 7, you want to buy something for $7, you have $7, you can do it. You don't have anything left over. 5 plus negative 12, negative 7. And again, if you're thinking of absolute value, the 12 is larger, the absolute value of negative 12 is larger than the absolute value of 5, and the 12 is negative, so it's negative. And here we have negative 3 and negative 3, that's negative 6. 2 at a time. 3 plus negative 6 is a negative 3. A negative plus a negative is a negative. 2 at a time. Negative 3. Copy down what you're not ready to use. Negative 3 and negative 6 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 5 is a negative 4. And a negative plus a negative is a negative. 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2. And a negative plus a negative is a negative. How'd you do? This workforce product was funded by a grant awarded by the United States Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration. The product was created by the grantee and does not necessarily reflect the official position of the U.S. Department of Labor. The Department of Labor makes no guarantees, warranties, or assurances of any kind, express or implied, with respect to such information, including any information on linked sites and including but not limited to accuracy of the information or its completeness, timeliness, usefulness, adequacy, continued availability, or ownership.